Hello again, Chris Brown here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about a paradiddle called the inverted paradiddle. If we think about a paradiddle as a drummer, one of the things we think about is the standard paradiddle. So the one we know the most is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. This paradiddle is slightly different. The double strokes are in the middle. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. So let's start to build that. What I'm going to build this on the hat here, on a closed hat. So right, left, and you know naturally I'm putting this accent in. I'm counting 1 E and a 2 E. So it's on the beat. Let's put that onto a snare drum. So I'm at the point where I now know the handing pretty well, and I'm adding those accents in on the beat, which is in the semi-quaver positions of the first on each group of 4. 1, 2, 3. And you notice I'm keeping the 6 low. So the accent is very clear. I've now learnt it, so it's time to up the speed. We don't just stay at the same speed. Now, I need a timekeeper for my feet. Most of the time it's always a bass drum. You know something? Let's give it a left foot. Let's build some coordination to this left foot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to count it in. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll check that against a click. I'm going to use 88 beats per minute here. Actually, we'll bring it down a bit, 85. So that click is the crotchet. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. So on. So working to the click is great practice. It will pick up any minute timing error. I felt I was a little bit ahead at some point in that, so I had to pull back. And it's good practice to try and pull back of your head as well. Now then, I've got my hat by foot in. Let's put shape on the kit. This is round kit. So if you've got the sheet, this is going to be number 4. 1, 2, float on coming up, 3, left arm forward. Let's give that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we already built some coordination in with the foot, so I'm going to put the speed in a bit more before I bring back left foot in. If we got rid of the subdivisions, the second and third subdivisions of that, so the double stroke, we'll end up with this rhythm. That sound all the while. I put the hand in back and so on. So let's put a left foot against that. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. And so on. I think we'll put a click to that. Again, time in practice. This is, so if you've got a metronome out there, use it. I'm on 94 BPM here. 1 E and a 3 E and a 3 E and a 4. So aiming to get it as tight as possible. Finally, obviously, we want some practice when using the inverted as a fill in the drumming. So the final one, there is a simple fill which with 1 high tom and 3 snare drums. If I did this as singles, it would look like this. But it's better with an inverted, right and left forward. On the beat. So let's try it as a groove. I think we'll we'll use 90. Again, click note time in practice. I'm going to try that filter click first, how it feels. So that is the inverted paradiddle. We started with learning a hand in, we've added the accents in, we've got some timekeeper in on the left foot there, we've started to put it around the kit with the use of dynamics, and finally we've tried it in a normal standard drumming situation as a groove and fill. The inverted paradiddle.